Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this 2012 Ford Fusion. And this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in case if you have to. So let's get into this. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. I must warn you, this is a little bit more complicated than 90% of other cars, but it's still doable, and I'll show you how. So let's open the hood, put the car on a stand. All right, so let's start with the driver's side. So our headlight bulbs are here behind these caps, so it depends which one you want to change. We have three bulbs, 1, 2, 3. This right here was how you do this. So first of all, you can take this rubber off. Okay, just set it aside. Now from here you have two options. If you have small hands like I do, like you can just get your hand inside and take off this cover. Okay, cover goes, and then you just spin the bulb. So you just spin it, comes out. Okay, well, you're gonna use two hands, and you can actually remove. It's a little bit. So I'm gonna remove the bulb. How do I remove the bulb? Over here you have two notches. This one, hope you guys see it, and this one. So we have to move them aside, not to break them, and then we just pull off the bulb. So I'm gonna try to do this with two hands. Okay, that's how you just take it off. Okay, this is H11, and so when you have the replacement one, same way, you just connect it. Hope the camera is showing everything nice. You just one hand. Okay, just put it in again. Now to put it back in, you have to slide it in. Okay, so we just put it in, find the correct position, the notches should go in, then we will spin it, and then we spin it once it's in. That's it. Make sure it's nice and solid and everything's good. This is in case if you have skinny hands like I do. If not, you can just remove the housing. It's simple. Just take 1, 2 clips out, move this aside, and you will be able to get your hand in easier. When you're done, just put this thing here, secure it, and you are all set. I think we didn't forget nothing. Did we put the cap? No, we didn't. So take this off. The cover, we have to put the cover back. Just put it like this and close this. This is with the passenger side. The driver's side. The passenger side is trickier. Thing is, with the passenger side, you have to remove all of this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws and 3 clips. Okay, so the clips will be here. 1, 2, 3. How do we remove a clip? It's gonna look like this. So the clip is in. Okay, it's in. You remove the middle first. You have to remove it. Take a screwdriver and remove it. This. Okay, once you're gonna remove the middle, then you just take out the rest of it. And you will have 5 screws, 7 mil. Okay, 7 millimeter. You will have to remove them from the bottom. Just take a look which this panel is being held down by 5 screws. Just take a look under it and you will find 5 screws and remove them. Once you remove them, you are now able to get your hand inside. The thing is, from the top as you can see, this is crazy limited space right here. Okay, but if we go from here, we are able to get our hand inside. Okay, it's over there. It's very limited space to film, guys. Okay, so I hope you see that round rubber piece, same thing we took off before. So we're gonna remove that one. Let me put your hand inside, feel it with your hand, get it out. This is the thing I'm talking about. Okay, so just take it off. After that, you just take the bulb, same way, you get your hand inside. Actually, I'm going to try to film it from the top. So you get your hand inside, I hope you guys can see it. Spin it, take it out. Spin it, put it in. Okay, I hope you guys saw it. But as you, in perfect situation, take off the wheel, put the car on a stand and secure it so it's not gonna fall down, and then you just take off the wheel, and then you're able to get more space and get your hand easier in. I can't do this right now, but it's still doable, as you can see. After that, when you change your bulbs, you just put the rest of the screws back in and put everything back in, and you're all set. Okay, I'm gonna put this cap now, and yeah. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.